In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DoorDash app. We'll set it up right from your web browser so it behaves like a dedicated app on your device, giving you quick access in its own window and a shortcut you can open anytime. Start by opening your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, or another modern browser that supports installing sites as apps. In the search bar, type DoorDash and press Enter. When the results appear, choose the official DoorDash site. Look for the result that clearly shows the DoorDash.com address, and check for a secure padlock icon next to the URL once the page loads. That simple check helps you avoid lookalike sites and keeps your information safe. With the DoorDash website open, go to your browser's three-dot menu, usually found in the top right corner. When you click it, you'll see a list of options, often including items like Cast, Save, and Share. That tells you you're in the right place. In that same menu, look for the option labeled Install App or something similar, like Install DoorDash. Click it. What this does is install DoorDash as a progressive web app, which means it runs in its own window, without the usual browser tabs and toolbars, and gets an icon you can launch just like a regular application. After you click Install App, confirm any prompt that appears. The installation only takes a moment. When it finishes, DoorDash will open in its own clean window. You can now pin it to your taskbar, dock, or start menu for one-click access. On some devices, you'll also see it added to your app list or home screen automatically. If you don't immediately see Install App in the menu, try refreshing the page while you're on the main DoorDash homepage, then open the three-dot menu again. In some browsers, there's also a small install icon in the address bar. Clicking that achieves the same result. Make sure you're on the secure official site, as that's typically required for the install option to appear. From here, you can treat DoorDash just like an app. Open it directly from its new icon, keep it running in its own window, and enjoy a more streamlined experience. If you'd like to receive updates, you can allow notifications when prompted, which is especially helpful for real-time order status. And remember, because you started from the official site, you're using the legitimate DoorDash experience in a trusted environment. That's it. Quick, simple, and efficient. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the convenience of using DoorDash as an app on your device.